I put him in front and above all. Today is a special day and also an acute moment of nostalgia, remembering my uncle, Maheh HDR, who was here 2 months before filing his nomination papers. He is a popular figure and a legend in this field. His death is a big loss to the family, to the party, to the state. I'm here, his replacement. I'm here, a continuation of his work and his legacy. And one important thing, the people of Sohiong constituency are praying every day and wants to produce lawmaker, not just legislator. Legislator who will speak in the assembly, legislator who will voice out the people's pain and grief. The youth are angry. People are watching. I'm being watched as I speak. Serious bills and subjects are being moved in the assembly like the last session. We need intellectuals to speak and debate for better laws, for the betterment, for the future, for the security, for the safety, and for the welfare of the people of the constituency, the state, and also for Kari Bat Kajat Bandil. But getting into Pajbama with the people's faith and love, their enthusiasm, along confident look at Tabanganjab. MP kata tiga deh kakam kaparim ikini tu kini jonga do senam jonga pitang nak kyrteng tu sinshar kupar roy lingdo kaba kyrteng pedeng ru kupar roy dei Maheh jonga ba ai kyrteng kupar roy don kupar roy lingdo manga sinshar kupar roy lingdo kaba kita liu kan Hari yang PJ sekarang lagi kami kalian, tapi jadi I'm confident I will move on and I know I'm confident I will succeed. Apa friends tangguh komen sahaja ada. So itu kini tu kan, kalau ini bayi ini ke pemerintah, you have to repair, repair the damage done by the last ex-MLA. So mentang orang ada continuation ini. Dari saya beteng jungi, pon peti mati jungi, kemarin ikam vision jungi, ngadu continuation ya sekarang jungi, publish itu. Dah ya.